when I unboxed the Ryobi cordless snow blower, it came with the chute pointing to the left. When you go to install the chute direction control, it is not lined up with the key to be able to get it engaged. What you have to do is by hand rotate the chute until it is pointing straight out, and that will line up the key to where you can insert your lever. It goes right in. Have to raise up your handles. That was kind of omitted also. Pointing your handle up top, and that will now push it all the way down in, and then it easily rotates the chute the way it's supposed to. So anyway, that was something they left off on the instructions, but it's very good to know.